Hello friends, we're gonna unbox our new PS5 today and I'll show you what's in the box and what connections and how to connect with your TV. So when you open the box, there is a small box on the top which you can take out, and there are all the cables and controller in this box. So this is a controller that comes in the box, just one controller. So if you want another one, you have to buy separate. There's a cable to charge the controller through the PS5. I'll show you where you plug it in. This is a power cable, HDMI cable to connect with your TV. I'll show you in a minute how to plug in a stand and where it goes. There are some manuals, quick start guide and stuff if you need. Otherwise I'm gonna show you what's in there anyways. Cool, we'll just leave it here on the side. There's the manuals. Now, here's our PS5 console. Very nicely wrapped. It's quite heavy compared to the PS4. So this is our PS5. So I bought a disc version, so that's why there's a disc there. Now I'll show you the back first. I'll show you the connections and then I'll show you where to plug in the stand. This is a power cable. There's a 2-pin plug that goes in here, and then you plug in this thing in your wall socket, and then you can power on your PS5. This is for controller. It's a normal USB that goes in one of these two ports. They both are USB 3.0 fast charging, and it's a USB-C connection that goes to your controller. Now this is a HDMI cable that goes in a HDMI port. It's written over here, and then the other end goes to your TV. Now there's an Ethernet port in here. The PS5 is Wi-Fi compatible, yes, but there's an Ethernet port as well if you want to put in a wired connection if you have a slow internet or something. Now coming to the front, there's another USB port in here to charge your controller or plug in any external hard drives and stuff. There's a USB-C cable port here to plug in a USB cable to charge your controller to a fast charge. Now this is a disc version, as I said. To power it on, this is a button. To eject your disc from this disc port, CD port, this is a button for that. Now if you buy a digital version, which is a non-disc version, this button not gonna be there. Now I will quickly show you how to connect the stand to the PS5. You can put it two ways. First, you can put it sideways like this. To do that, you need to make sure, like these clips here, they are rubber clips that goes on a PS5 on these square buttons, square symbols on the side. So you have a look, you plug it in as close as possible to the square bits like this, and then you just put it on a table or next to your TV like this. Now if you want to put it a standing way, how you have seen it always, like this way, what you have to do is turn the PS5 around. You need to take this bit out, which I'm going to take it out in a minute. You can use any sharp thing for it. I'm going to use this. It's very easy to pop this out, like it's out now. Doesn't damage your PS5. Now when you have this thing here, you rotate it like this, and there's a screw underneath. You take the screw out, it'll lock. This black bit which came out from here can go here, so you don't lose it. Now make sure again the clips goes on the side like this. Over here it'll align with the screw. You can put a screw in and just tighten it. It's very easy to tighten the screw. It's not very hard. You can use your nail. And you can make it a stand like this. Now To sync your controller, plug it into a USB port and it'll sync it with the PS5. I have an extra controller here. Some people ask like how to pair an extra controller if you're not familiar with PS5. What you need to do is just take it out, very simple. Plug it in with a USB port like a first controller and it'll charge and sync at the same time. All your user manuals have the same thing. Otherwise, enjoy your PS5. Thank you. Now, if you like the video, please click the like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Also, click on the bell button to get more exciting videos in the future. Thank you.